Are you new to yoga and don't know where to start? Perhaps you're wondering which poses are best for a beginner yogi? Well, you're in the right place to start your journey into the calming world of yoga. First, let's start with mountain pose, also known as Tadasana. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Your weight should evenly distribute across the soles of your feet. Pull your shoulders back and let your arms hang naturally by your sides. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body grounding into the earth. This simple pose is a great starting point and helps to improve your posture, balance, and self-awareness. Next, we have the downward dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Begin on your hands and knees, tuck your toes under, and lift your hips up and back. Straighten your legs as you can, pushing your heels towards the floor. Keep your hands firm on the mat, spreading your fingers for extra support. This pose stretches and strengthens the whole body, making it a must-do in any yoga routine. Now, let us move on to the Warrior One pose, or Virabhadrasana 1. From a standing position, step one foot back, angling it outward. Bend your front knee, ensuring it aligns with your ankle. Raise your arms overhead, reaching towards the sky. Feel the power of this pose as it strengthens your legs, opens your hips and chest, and prepares your mind for the challenges ahead. Then we have the tree pose, or Vrikshasana. From a standing position, shift your weight onto one leg. Place the sole of your other foot onto your inner thigh or calf, but never on your knee. Bring your hands together in prayer position at your chest, or extend them above your head. This pose enhances your balance, focus, and tranquility. Finally, we end with the corpse pose, or Savasana. Lie flat on your back, arms and legs comfortably apart. Close your eyes, breathe naturally, and relax your entire body. This pose wraps up your yoga practice, allowing your body and mind to soak in the benefits of your session. To recap, today we've explored 5 fundamental yoga poses: the grounding mountain pose, the strengthening downward dog, the powerful warrior one, the balancing tree pose, and the relaxing corpse pose. Remember, yoga is not about perfecting the pose, but about connecting with yourself. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button, and don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these beginner-friendly yoga poses. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upcoming video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep embracing the wonderful world of yoga.